Hey Internet, Bill from Bill Louden Science here. Today I want to show you how to make a safe exploding sandwich bag at home, and I'm going to explain it in just one breath. Here we go. The materials you'll need for this reaction are a Kleenex, a spoon, a measuring cup, a sandwich-sized zipper bag, vinegar, and baking soda. Make sure to use safety equipment in a sink or a container to catch messes. First, measure 2 spoonfuls of baking soda onto the Kleenex. Fold up the sides of the Kleenex and set aside. Measure half a cup of vinegar and carefully pour it in the bag. Drop the folded Kleenex into the bag and zip up quickly. Give it a small shake, then set flat in the bin. The basic baking soda and acidic vinegar will undergo a chemical reaction creating gas bubbles of carbon dioxide. That gas will push against the inside of the bag until the pressure is too strong and the zipper fails. Oh, I forgot to warn you. Watch out, it's really loud. So there it is, a safe exploding sandwich bag you can try at home. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have an awesome day.